perfect homemade gift. And so today we're going to be working on this pet collar and bandana. Really easy and simple to make. They're the ones that you just put in the collar, so yeah. Anyways, so I thought about this idea thinking, oh, I have all of this like leftover fabric, especially like with the Christmas ones from last year, and I was like, well, what am I gonna do with this? And I was like, you know what, this is gonna be so cute because I have like this Grinch one, I have this one, and then I have this one that I could use up and make cute little collars for my family's pets. And then I did buy these really cute patches that I found on Amazon. I'll link it down below. They're so cute, and these I could put them on like the more simple fabrics like the polka dots. I think I have like a striped one. I think it should work. But yeah, I'm thinking outside the box. I'm trying to use my fabrics that I have in my inventory, but yeah, I think that should look cute. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, this is what we're making today. Let's get started. Okay, so for this one, because it is a little bit tricky on the design, I think what I'm gonna do is kind of like fold it, because when you fold it, this is how you're gonna see it, right? Yeah, it should fit. Let me put it down a little bit, because I really want the Grinch in the middle of the bandana. Okay, so I'm gonna place that. Piece, I need to go iron that right now, but piece number 1 is cut out. This is gonna be like the front of the bandana, and then for the back, so I don't waste fabric, I'm just gonna cut it. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so once it's nicely pressed, the next thing I'm gonna do before I sew them together, I'm gonna sew the pom-pom in place so it doesn't move. So I'm gonna go to my sewing machine and sew from here all around to the other side. Okay, so the pom-poms are sewn, they're facing inward. We're going to now pin right sides together, and we're going to leave an opening on the top, and then we're going to sew from here all the way around to the other side. So, and when you're sewing the pom-poms, just be careful and make sure that you're not sewing it. Okay, so now we're going to cut the corners, like trim it. flip it right sides. Okay, so I'm gonna go take this to my ironing station, press on it nicely, because after that we're gonna do a top stitch from this corner all around, and remember to fold the opening so we can shut that close as well, so make sure it's nicely pressed. And yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, so everything's nicely top stitched, and now we're going to flip it to the back. We're going to fold it corner to corner, so this corner to match the other corner. Hopefully you guys can see it, sorry. So fold corner to corner. We're going to pin that down. And then the other corner to corner. Just like that. And we're gonna stitch all across, creating the little casing for your dog collar to fit the little hole in there. So okay, so this is how it turned out. Super cute. I'm gonna finish the rest and show them in a little bit. But yeah, like the only reason why I kind of did this bandana in this way was because I wanted the Grinch in the middle. And yes, you do tend to waste a little bit more fabric, but the outcome is it's worth it. I feel like it is worth it. Like at the back it doesn't really matter, but the front, nice. Okay, let me finish the rest and I'll show you guys the finished product in a bit. Okay, so this is how they turned out. These ones, I just made them simple with the sequins patch. Something really fun to use. But yeah, like I said, really easy to make. The perfect Christmas gift. And you get to use all of your scrap material from other projects and anything that you have left over. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next Craft Mess video.